Hello, I'm Srilata, Chief Clinical Nutritionist, MaxCure Hospitals, Madhapur. Uh, we have a lot of questions about diabetes. Watermelon basically is a very good fruit. It has a lot of moisture in that. 98% of the fruit has moisture in that and is very rich in all the minerals and also has good amounts of vitamins. Especially it is very low in calorie. So 100 grams of watermelon gives us 16 kilocalories of energy. It is having good amounts of potassium, which is really good for all the hypertensives. It is having good amounts of iron in that. It is the only fruit which has good amounts of iron, 7 to 8 milligrams of iron for 100 grams of watermelon. So the only worrisome thing about the watermelon is its glycemic index is really high. So the glycemic index is more than 70, it is around 72. So we need to take it wisely. Do not exceed the quantity of watermelon. Let's say it is 100 to 150 grams per day is okay, because as I said you, it is rich in so many vitamins and minerals and it has loads of moisture in that. So all the diabetics can happily take it provided the sugars are under control and they are physically active. If the sugars are not under control, if they are suffering from diabetic nephropathy, then yes, definitely they need to avoid. As I said you all, potassium content in watermelon is really high. So nephropathy people who are suffering from kidney ailment because of diabetes should definitely avoid this because of the high potassium content. Also uncontrolled diabetics should avoid it because the glycemic index is really high. So people who have good control of diabetes can happily take 150 grams of watermelon whenever they feel like taking.